Hey guys, so this isn't a tutorial, this is just a sew along. This was in like 2022 and I wasn't really into YouTube like that, so it's just a sew along. I wasn't recording that much, so I'm sorry in advance, but I can make a video if you guys want. I got the fabric from Hobby Lobby and I fell in love with it immediately. The sparkling fabric or the sequin fabric was something for a different project. And this is just my drawing. Before starting any project, I like to just break everything down first so I can get a clear vision of what I need to do. This is just the basic bodice. I cut out the basic bodice. Oh my gosh, basic bodice twice. I did a little cutout and then I just placed it right on top. You'll see in the next two clips, I think. Yeah, like that. Again, two of the same bodice, which is the front bodice, and then I did a cutout and then I just placed it right on top, just like that. The basic bodice is the Illusion Rush, and then the flowers, that's a different type of fabric, obviously. And then I did the same for the pink base fabric. Just used that same cutout to cut out the pink fabric. And this is just the back piece. A little boomerang to show some action. The elastic that I use, and I would definitely do this over again because like I didn't know what I was doing and it was just I think this is how I do it, so I'm gonna do it this way. But yeah, I would definitely do it a different way if I had to do it again. And this is the basic circle skirt. I have a tutorial already on my channel how to do this because you need your basic circle skirt for the bottom part. It looks so dingy inside, like I really want to do this over again to do it the right way, but that's it. She loved the dress, like she absolutely loved it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.